On the high-intensity track of mining, transportation, zero emissions, low cost, and exceptional reliability are becoming the new standard. Today, we take you into Tonely to introduce this industry-changing zero-carbon powerhouse, the pure electric off-road wide-body dump truck. Tonely is the inventor of the world's first off-road wide-body dump truck. With a complete industrial chain and continuous technological innovation, Tonely has established localized delivery and full life-cycle service capabilities in over 50 countries, providing comprehensive transportation solutions for global mines. In 2014, Tonely launched the industry's first pure electric off-road wide-body dump truck. The 3-electric system, battery, motor, and electronic control has withstood the harsh tests of high altitudes, low temperatures, humid heat, and rainforests, leading the industry in stability, energy recovery, and transportation efficiency, earning unanimous praise from global users. The 3-electric system works in synergy to maintain high efficiency and reliability even in extreme environments. The regenerative braking energy recovery reduces overall energy consumption by approximately 30%. The operating cost of the pure electric wide-body dump truck is only 15–20% of that of a diesel vehicle, saving fuel costs of 400,000 to 600,000 yuan per vehicle per year. More importantly, it achieves zero emissions, producing no CO2, hydrocarbons, NOx, or particulate matter, in line with the global carbon neutrality trend. Without a diesel engine, oil changes, or air filters, maintenance costs and labor input are significantly reduced. The electric drive enhances maneuverability, reduces the driver's labor intensity, and significantly improves operational efficiency. The TLE 105 and TLE 120 are Tonely flagship wide-body mining trucks, covering the 60 to 90-ton payload range. Equipped with the industry-leading 3-electric system, they have been delivered to open-pit mines in over 50 countries worldwide, becoming the preferred platform for mining transportation. In the face of climate change challenges, zero carbon and low cost are no longer just slogans. Tonely pure electric wide-body mining trucks with mature technology, reliable delivery, and leading performance provide safe, efficient, green, and intelligent transportation solutions for global mines. Let's join hands to create a green future for mining.